Okay, if I want to solve x squared plus 3x minus 10 equals 0, then I know it's in standard form, right? Because it's got an x squared and an x, so I can't solve it as it is. So I've got to factor and use the zero product property. So x squared is going to go here. Negative 10 always goes here because it's the number by itself. And I know that these two spots have to add up to be 3x. And they also have to multiply to be the same as this multiplied together. So x squared times negative 10 x squared. So I know that the two numbers have to add to 3 multiply to negative 10. That means one has to be a negative and one has to be a positive. So let's see, negative 1, positive 10, 1, negative 10, 2, negative 5, negative 2 and 5, and I've got my factors. So negative 2x and 5x, and I get to go over here and fill them in. And x squared's easy because it's always just going to be an x and an x. X times negative 2 makes negative 2x. X times 5 makes 5x, and then 5 times negative 2, okay, it's negative 10, so I know I did it right. So I factored, and I want to write out my factored form, and because it equals 0, I know that this parentheses by itself has to equal 0, or this parentheses by itself has to equal 0. That's what the zero product property means. So then you get to solve these two little baby equations, which is way easier than trying to think about this, or especially that original one. So you can take away 5 from both sides, and x equals negative 5. That's one of my solutions. Add 2 to both sides, and x equals 2. That's another of my solutions. And there you go. That's how you solve a quadratic equation. That was in standard form. You factor, and then set your two parentheses equal to 0.